The project of the day is to find, to buy and install new curtain rods to the kitchen. And we came for this kind of big furniture center here, and this time we actually borrowed the motorbike from the neighbor. It's maybe the fastest way to move here, but let's see. I mean, let's go into the shop. The long one is 500 peso.
389. 389.
And then we need also the shorter one. No price. So I believe we found what we are looking for. All together 4 curtain rods. 2 bigger ones and 2 small ones. All together about 15 euro. The installation will be the challenge. Another challenge can be the transportation generally with motorbike with the curtain rods. And look outside, there is one more thing. Nice little rain. What a surprise. We'll be okay. The rain was still continuing, and it was a bit difficult to ride motorbike with all the curtain rods and everything. It was just difficult. So at that moment, the good idea is to stop and eat. And what do we have today? We have 2 times rice and very nice grilled chicken with Mountain Dew. Very good tip when you are doing this kind of drilling. Put hoover directly under the hole when you're drilling, and there is not so much mess. Yes, I made it. So one more time. Before and after. Okay, I have to say that my curtain project took a little bit extra energy. Look what happened at the end. Hee hee.